Hey, my name is Phil from legitmarketingreviews.com. In today's video, we're going to be looking at an affiliate program platform called Affiliate Corner. Now in this Affiliate Corner review, I want to show you exactly what Affiliate Corner is, how it actually works, and then by the end of this video, you should know if it's right for you. Now, if you are thinking about getting Affiliate Corner, they are currently having a launch sale. So if you want to check that out, make sure you use the link in the description. Okay, so first of all, what is Affiliate Corner? Well, it is an affiliate program database of different affiliate programs around the internet. Now, what I love about this is it's in a searchable type of format, so you can choose what type of affiliate program you're looking for based on commissions, based on the industry, based on the niche, based on how much you get paid or the payout methods, and there's tons of different types of filters you can add to find the perfect program for you. And the great part is too, if you are new to affiliate marketing, there's also a course that's going to go with it. So it teaches you how to actually start generating sales through different traffic techniques. Now, once again, this is going to be one of these platforms that saves you so much time, especially for me. I'm always constantly trying to find new affiliate programs that I can be a part of so I can go ahead and start earning more revenue streams. However, this is going to short track that time massively, and I'll show you what I mean in just a sec. So what I'm going to do right now is actually jump behind the screen and show you Affiliate Corner. Okay, so first of all, let's start here at the Affiliate Corner website. Now, right off the bat, I want to tell you why this is an absolute steal if you are an affiliate marketer. Now, the reason is every week, me personally, I like to go onto Google or look on different marketplaces for new affiliate programs to be a part of. The reason is there are so many affiliate marketers in the world, but majority of them are pushing the same exact programs, right? They're marketing the same programs that everyone else is marketing. So it's one of those red water shark situations when really you should be looking for blue oceans that you can be the only shark in the water. Now, to tell you the truth, majority of the time, I don't usually find too many new affiliate programs because it's just so hard to find them. But now I've got Affiliate Corner, which is a plethora of different affiliate programs I can quickly and easily find with just a few parameters, and I can go ahead and start marketing. Now, let me show you what I mean. Let's go have a look at the features and how this works. First of all, we have here the database of affiliate programs. There is over 1,400 currently listed, 60 different niches, and 18 different data points for each one. And what this allows you to do is actually come into the Affiliate Corner platform, and you can narrow down the searches of different affiliate programs they have listed based on your personal preferences. So let's just say you wanted to only earn commissions over $50. Anything under is sometimes a bit of a waste of time. Let's just say you only wanted to be in the crypto niche because that's what you create content in, and let's just say you wanted it to be recurring. You can actually set those parameters inside of here, and it's going to show you all the programs that are listed for those types of data points. So you can see how powerful it is. It just saves so much time when you're actually looking for affiliate programs. Now, if we come to the next step, this is going to show you the trends, the industry, and the commission insights. Basically, it's a breakdown of the affiliate program. It also tells you what types of things are included in the affiliate program, if there's things like brand assets, also how often you get paid, and also everything like the payment methods, everything like that as well. And then it also gives you a bird's eye view of what the industry and the niche is like. So it breaks it right down into different long tail keywords and everything like that as well. It's really exciting. And the more you come down, the more information you actually get. Next, we have the SEO and Audience Insights. And what this does, I believe they use Ahrefs. It breaks down all of the different keywords related to this particular type of keyword, how much competition there is, some different types of opportunities, and everything like that in between. So it really breaks down a lot of the opportunity that you can have with that affiliate program. So depending on what your traffic strategy is, might be a big decider. Then finally, if you want to learn some different ways you can promote this particular affiliate program, they've also got some nice little suggestions here as well. There's usually over 24 for each one. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, there's also the course that comes with it as well, but it just gives you some good ideas on how this could work. So what I'm going to do right now is quickly come to the bottom of the screen, and this is where it's going to show you the current launch offer, which is lifetime access. There's only 14 spots left at the time of recording this video, so you can grab it for just $79 one time. It is then going to increase to $99, and then I believe after that they're probably going to keep increasing the price the higher the membership numbers get. So highly recommend getting it while you still can. So what I'm going to do now is quickly go to the course. This is what you're going to see once you purchase the program. This is an additional course that they provide with it inside of Gumroad, and your logins to the actual platform are going to be sent to you. So first of all, if we come through the course, I'll just quickly show you the outline. What you're going to see is 4 different strategies in the first module: social media marketing, Facebook groups, YouTube, and paid ads and directory sites. So I didn't even know anything about this. I'm going to go through that in just a moment. We also have different types of niches. We've also got different types of low competition keywords with keywords everywhere. So that's one of the keyword research tools. There's also different ways to promote affiliate offers via SEO and using AI tools. This is really cool. It dives deep into AI copywriting tools, which is really cool. We also, once again, go into AI copywriting tools, and then 7 ways to monetize your website. So it's a nice little course to complement this platform here, but this is the real moneymaker. This is why we're all here. Sorry, I was just scrolling down on it before. So this is Affiliate Corner. This is what is going to save so many hours of my time each week. And let me show you how it works. So first of all, on the left here is all of your different filters that you can add inside of it. And what it's going to do is start breaking down these 433 programs inside of it. So let's just say you were in the crypto niche. What you can do is click crypto, click off it, and then you'll see it is now filtered to 40 different programs. What you can do then is, if you want to decide how much you want to earn per sale, you can choose inside of here. Let's just say 50. Then we've got 3 different options inside of here of affiliate programs in the crypto space that pay over $50. Now you can also see they have another tag inside of here which says one time, so it's not a recurring program. All of them in fact aren't recurring, so there's no point trying to filter by recurring, as crypto usually doesn't do it anyway. But the cool thing about it is, let's just say this Bitcoin IRA affiliate program sounds pretty good, $75 per commission. If I click on it, it's going to bring up the program details. Now this program details part is probably the second most important feature of Affiliate Corner apart from the filters. Reason being is you can come down here and see exactly what this affiliate program entails, right? So it's B2C mainly, $75, period of commission is lifetime, type of commission is one time, cookie life 30 days, $75 for each new client refer. And if you come down, you can see if it's got a dedicated affiliate marketing manager team and if it gives you assets as well. So this is important because majority of the time, I'm always trying to find out how long the cookie life is. I'm trying to find out what the exact commission details are. On the website, they usually say something like up to 50%, when realistically, when you start, it might only be 20. This breaks it down to tell you exactly what it's all about. And of course, all the different programs have different assets as well. Some even include if you can brand bid, if you are just a Google or Bing marketer, which is really cool. Next, we have the trend and commission insights, just to give you an idea of what this is, powered by Glimpse as well. So you can see how the searches have been over the past few years. We've just had this massive knockoff from crypto. Everything went up and then started slamming down. So the trend's down a little bit. No doubt it's going to come back up. As you can see, crypto is doing really well in the long term. We can also see different types of related trending queries, also different queries that people also search for, as well as some question-based queries. We've also got a topic map, which is really cool to see. And you can also see what's realistic and what you can expect to earn, different stats, and that as well. There's some different links inside of here. So much information, right, for just a simple listing of an affiliate program, but it doesn't stop there. Let's have a look at SEO and Audience Insights. So if you were to go to Ahrefs, this is Ahrefs, by the way. If you haven't used Ahrefs before, it's a premium tool. I think it starts at $100 a month. So the fact that they give you all this insight for free saves you actually having to get that tool. But keyword is quite hard for crypto, no doubt, because crypto is so popular. If you keep coming down, US is the biggest industry. 454,000 people have come from there, which is really good. Keywords, there's tons. Total volume, 15 million. There's different types of keywords inside of here as well. 0 to 5 keyword density. Keyword difficulty. So if you were to create any types of content, these would be some great ones to get started with. And if you come down even further, there's some different questions you can use as well. So tons of information. Once again, we're not going to get too in depth, but they've also given you some blogs that you can download that you could actually reach out. This is amazing now that I look at it. Absolutely amazing. They tell you how you can use it as well. Ridiculous. And if we keep coming down, there's more audience type questions and hashtags and words and bios, frequently used phrases. It's just so much information, right? So there's some links to all of the data sources as well. Download entire audience insights here. Crazy. So I'm really stoked with this, especially if you're a search engine marketer, if you're a paid advertising marketer on things like Google. This is going to be priceless for you. And then we've finally got some different ideas here to promote. Let's look at who your target audience is. You can promote and create your content accordingly. So this is giving you some demographics of what people might be interested in or who would be looking for this particular type of affiliate program. Then you're saying it gives you some ideas on how you can actually create content that's going to be seen. So there's tons of ideas in here. I'm not going to go through it, but just to give you one random one here, start a cryptocurrency discussion group on Facebook or LinkedIn and promote the product to the group members. Such a really good idea. Create a video review of the crypto software and post it on YouTube. Add your affiliate link in the description. So simple, so powerful. Okay, so that's basically how the whole platform works. So you just come inside here, choose your parameters. Once again, choose your commission structure if you want. I'll also give you a cheeky little idea of ways that you can use this platform. So a lot of the time, a lot of people are constantly pushing things like affiliate marketing programs, like courses, everything like that. What you can actually do is a lot of people start ranking for niches that have, you know, top 20 affiliate programs. Let's just say I was in the category baby care. What I could do is come in here, I could turn off the filter here, so that's fine, and I could put top 20 affiliate programs in baby care. And instead of having to go out and actually researching, guess what? You've got majority of the affiliate programs for baby care right here, right at your fingertips. And guess what? You've got all of the information you need to know, things like the commission details, cookie life, and everything in between. So this is another benefit of this platform. I am going to do a few of these articles on my personal website. I believe it's going to help with traffic, and hopefully I can also help push some of my courses. Anyway, so that is Affiliate Corner. Once again, this is going to be one of my new best friends, as it's got so much content put together that's going to save me tons of time. For the fact that it's only $80 right now, $79, where is it? Right here. That is an absolute steal. So that's pretty much it, guys. Apart from that, there is also some resources and updates inside of here, right? Some helpful links if you want to check them out as well. There's the roadmap if you want to see where these guys are going, what they have in future. All of this info can be easily accessed inside of the platform, so you can see inside here. I'm actually really excited to see what Spying Top Affiliates is in August 22, so that's next month. So that's going to be pretty interesting to see what that is. But that's it, guys. That is Affiliate Corner. What I'm going to do is jump behind the screen. Just want to talk about a few extra things. Okay, so that was Affiliate Corner. Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, no doubt you can see the absolute value in this platform. Once again, over 1,400 different affiliate programs in 80 different niches, 18 different data points. This is just going to cut the time that it's going to take to find good affiliate programs to be a part of. And it's also going to help in your marketing efforts, as you don't have to go into each affiliate program and find out all the rules and regulations. You can just check inside of Affiliate Corner, go ahead, join the program, and start earning commissions. So that is my Affiliate Corner review. I hope you did enjoy it. Once again, if you want to go to the launch page and help support the channel, I have left a link in the description. But apart from that, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any marketing reviews and deals. And that's it from me, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.